Hello guys! Today I'm drawing delicious fruits.
Apple. This is an apple. Crab. This is a bunch of crabs. This is a bunch of crabs. Banana. This is a banana.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey.
Strawberry. This is a strawberry.
Pomegranate.
Guava. This is a guava.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel, goes the weasel. A penny for a spoon of bread, a tuppence for a needle. Back goes the weasel. A penny for a spoon of bread, a tuppence for a needle. Back goes the weasel. A penny for a spoon of bread, a tuppence for a needle. All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun.
Green.
Red.
The weasel.
Green. Purple.
Around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. The weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the
Brown.
weasel.
Yellow. Green.
Red. Brown. Red.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun.
Brown.
Goes the weasel.
Green. Light green.
Do you know the muffin man, the muffin man? Do you know the muffin man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the muffin man, the muffin man, the muffin man. Yes, we know the muffin man who lives on Drury Lane.
Yellow.
Do you know the muffin man, the muffin man, the muffin man? Do you know the muffin man who lives
Thanks for watching.